Ever wondered how business analysts and data analysts visualize complex systems? Welcome to the world of use case diagrams, a fascinating realm where abstract concepts are made tangible. These diagrams are essentially visual maps that illustrate the interactions between various elements in a system. Imagine you're exploring a new city. You wouldn't wander aimlessly, would you? No, you'd use a map to guide you, to show you the relationships between different areas. Similarly, use case diagrams guide analysts through the complexities of a system, highlighting the relationships and interactions between its components. They're the compass and the roadmap, helping analysts navigate through the intricate labyrinth of system design and functionality. These diagrams are not just doodles on a whiteboard, they are powerful tools that breathe life into abstract concepts, making them easier to understand, analyze, and improve. So, let's dive in to understand the components of a use case diagram. A use case diagram is made up of several key components. Now that we've got that established, let's delve into the specifics. These components include actors, use cases, and relationships. So, what do these terms mean in the context of a use case diagram? Firstly, the actors. These are not the Hollywood kind, but they're just as important in their own way. In a use case diagram, an actor represents an external entity that interacts with the system being modeled. This could be a person, another system, or even an organization. They are the ones who will be using the system or are affected by its operation. Next, we have use cases. These represent specific goals or tasks that the actors want to achieve using the system. It's important to note that use cases are not specific methods or procedures. Instead, they are the desired outcomes from the perspective of the actors. For instance, book a flight or purchase a book could be examples of use cases. Now, the relationships. These illustrate how actors and use cases interact with each other. There are three main types of relationships in a use case diagram. Communication shows how an actor is involved with a use case. Include indicates that a use case is contained within another use case. And extend signifies that a use case can add additional actions to another use case under certain conditions. But how do these components interact with each other? Let's visualize it. Imagine a system as a stage play. The actors are the characters, the use cases are the scenes, and the relationships are the interactions between characters and scenes. Everything works together to create a coherent story, or in this case, a clear picture of how a system should function. Just as a director needs to understand the script to direct a play, a business analyst needs to understand these components to create or interpret a use case diagram. It's like a map that guides the development of a system, ensuring that it meets the needs of its users. Understanding these components is the first step in creating or interpreting a use case diagram. So let's take this knowledge and move forward into the world of use case diagrams with confidence. But why do business analysts and data analysts find use case diagrams so valuable, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in the clarity and perspective these diagrams bring to the complex world of information and communication technology projects. Use case diagrams serve as a visual roadmap, revealing the system's requirements in a structured and comprehensible manner. This aids analysts in understanding the system's interactions and their corresponding outcomes, providing them with a comprehensive overview of what needs to be achieved. Moreover, these diagrams foster improved communication among stakeholders. They act as a common language, bridging the gap between technical and non-technical individuals. This ensures everyone is on the same page regarding the system's functionality and objectives. Furthermore, use case diagrams facilitate system design and development. They provide a foundational blueprint for developers, guiding them in creating a system that meets user needs and business goals effectively and efficiently. Indeed, use case diagrams are a powerful tool in the hands of these professionals. To sum up, use case diagrams are a vital tool for visualizing complex systems. They are the shorthand of system analysis, breaking down the intricate web of interactions into manageable chunks. We've explored the key components of these diagrams: actors, use cases, and relationships. Each element plays a distinct role in illustrating the system's functionality. Actors represent the entities interacting with the system. Use cases outline the specific tasks that can be performed, and relationships show how these elements interact. We've also delved into the significance of these diagrams for business analysts and data analysts. They serve as a roadmap, guiding these professionals through the labyrinth of system operations. Whether it's identifying gaps in the current system or planning for a future project, use case diagrams provide invaluable insights. So the next time you see a complex system, remember that a use case diagram might just be the key to understanding it.